Himani Savarkar is the president of the Abhinav Bharat. She's niece of Nathuram Godse, daughter of Gopal Godse, Nathuram Godse's brother. She's with us from Pune. Before I come to her, because taking her on will be Tushar Gandhi, great-grandson of Mahatma Gandhi. So we have on the program Nathuram Godse's niece on one side and Mahatma Gandhi's great-grandson Tushar Gandhi on the other. That debate is starting in 3 or 4 minutes once Tushar Gandhi is lined up with us. I'd like to begin by introducing our political panelists. C.R. Kesavan of the Congress, Pawan Verma of the JDU and Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi of the BJP. The Pawan Verma, the BJP managed to put some pressure to get this man Sakshi Maharaj to back off. But are you convinced?
No, Arnab, it's very clear that these apologies mean nothing because such statements are not random statements, Arnab. They are being made as per a plan, a campaign which is nationwide in its ambit to create religious polarization through the use of communal hatred and violence. I am not surprised that this statement has been made. Mr. Godse had very, very verifiable links with the RSS. Much later, after he was hanged, his brother admitted in an interview to The Hindu that he was a part of the RSS. The RSS has always believed, and Acharya Golwalkar's writings stand testimony to that there is no place of any other faith in India except that of Hindus, that other faiths don't even have the rights of a citizen. So there has always been this secret admiration, and very often overt admiration for Mr. Godse, and today such elements within the larger Sangh Parivar, Arnab, are emboldened and empowered because they believe this government is there to provide them protection and encouragement. And the unfortunate part is that development has emerged to be just a mask for this larger agenda.
Is the mask coming off?
Religious
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
For short-term election.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, the mask coming off. You know, because you condemn the action of Maoists who justify their actions on the grounds that they are patriots as acts of terrorism, but your lack of action against Sakshi Maharaj, who hails Godse as a patriot, is absolutely telling. Has your mask come off?
What Sakshi Maharaj has said, he himself contradicted the thing, and
exactly.
Party is totally contradicted
you
whatever he has
contradict.
said.
No, he did.
As far as Gandhi is concerned, I would like to remind.
No. Since
Bharatiya Janata Party, when it was found, in the founding principles of the Bharatiya Janata Party, there was a principle Gandhian socialism. Pawan Verma's party would not have the word Gandhian socialism, but our party founded on the principle of Gandhian socialism. And if you want to put towards the other organization, I would like to remind, in RSS, there is a poem, Prata Smaran, which is a poem recited for those who have contributed to the country since ages immemorial. In that Prata Smaran, Gandhiji's name.
No. Vinay Katiyar says वो देशभक्त थे. मुझे जरा बताइए एक मिनट. Vinay Katiyar calls him a देशभक्त. I want to know from you.
Sakshi Maharaj,
Mr. Trivedi,
have action.
Mr. Trivedi, simple question to you.
This is your question that you.
My question. How do you know my question?
Sakshi Maharaj.
My question is not.
You want an action over Sakshi Maharaj.
Listen to
retrieval of the action.
I am telling you, Sakshi Maharaj is a repeat offender. He should be sacked.
I am going to answer.
I am telling you, he should be sacked. He's a repeat offender. Did you take any action against him? Did you take any action against him when he claimed in September that madrasas were rewarding cash rewards for love jihad?
Mr. Arnab Goswami, let me complete the sentence. Let me complete the sentence.
Mr. Trivedi, listen to me.
I also like to ask if you want still an action over Sakshi Maharaj. Where were those people when Afzal Guru, who was convicted for hatching a conspiracy on attack on Parliament and convicted by Supreme Court of
C.R. Kesavan.
And then the Congress party entire
kept, I think, 7 years in waiting. I am really surprised. I am surprised. You repeatedly. 1 second. C.R. Kesavan will respond now.
The BJP spins this.
C.R. Kesavan is responding. No, C.R. let him respond. C.R. Kesavan.
Your verbal jugglery, your verbal spinning, your verbal...
No remorse, still you remain there. There cannot be two divergent way of doing anything in the same similar circumstances of
Arnab, it is very clear. Arnab, it is very clear that only if they have not taken action against the repeat offender Sakshi Maharaj, one thing is very clear. What you have said at that government, it is a
have you sacked your chief minister?
They can't do
anything. Have you sacked your prime minister?
Last week, Please
What was the
listen.
stand of your
Don't be
government?
defensive. Listen.
When Supreme Court of
You
India
should
has
be
said
ashamed
it is the
today.
rare of
You
the
have to
rarest
listen.
level of crime.
You should be, your party
Rare of
should
the
be
rarest
ashamed.
level of crime.
Your party should
Attack
be
on the
ashamed.
temple of democracy.
Please listen.
Cannot be
Have the
two ways
civility
of
to
handling
listen.
the two
You are not
international
civil
things.
today. You're a member of parliament. You're a member of parliament committed blasphemy. Have the decency before the Indian public to listen today. Whatever kind of verbal jugglery you do, the shame you have inflicted, this day will live in infamy for the BJP.
This is not verbal jugglery, it is the fact. It is the fact which is, in my opinion, a crime to democracy has been committed by the party.
This is a fourth-time MP. Last week the Prime Minister said it was a new MP, the senior members of the BJP, the parliament should, let her go. It's okay, this won't be repeated again within 5 days. Mr. Sakshi Maharaj is an MP for fourth time. And let me ask you this is done with the tacit approval of the BJP, otherwise take action on him. If you have not taken action on him, you're spineless, you're helpless. Otherwise,
he has
take
retrieved
action.
the statement. Has your chief minister retrieved? Has your minister retrieved? Why you have not taken action? And even in our part, after retrieving that
Listen to me, I
statement,
will
still you want
interrupt you.
action.
Don't be defensive. Don't be defensive, Mr. BJP spokesperson, please have the civility which your
Arnab,
BJP parliamentarians
Pawan
have
Verma.
today. This is a case of hate ventriloquism.
Arnab,
Let me tell you.
I want to make a
Pawan Verma coming back to the debate. 1 second, please. Pawan Verma is coming back to the debate. This comment by your parliamentarian. No, Mr. C.R. Kesavan, there's a time limit. There's a time limit. There's a time limit. Now, 1 second. There's a time limit. 1 second. Mr. Kesavan, time limit. Time limit. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Pawan Verma, Tushar Gandhi, welcome. Pawan Verma, respond. Go
I
ahead.
just want to repeat. Arnab, I want to repeat. Statements like the one made today by Sakshi Maharaj are being made because the perpetrators of such statements believe that it is exactly the policy of the leadership of this government. I give you examples.
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Giriraj Singh makes the most shameful and outrageous statements. He's rewarded as a minister. You have a minister of the government who calls more than half of India haramzadas. The BJP refuses to sack her. Now you have Sakshi Maharaj, who makes the most outrageous statement of all, that the killer of the father of the nation is a great patriot. In the precincts of parliament he makes it.
That's right, in parliament.
And then
Inside
the BJP
parliament.
says an anodyne apology, a contradiction. These are not apologies. These are actually statements being made deliberately to provoke, to create hatred and polarization. The BJP has no intention of sacking Mr. Sakshi Maharaj.
No, you can't on the one side say that we want to honor Sardar Patel and on the other side say that Nathuram Godse was a patriot. You just can't do it, sir. It's hypocritical, it's unacceptable, and this comment by your parliamentarian comes in the backdrop of Narendra Modi speaking in parliament and asking his partymen to be careful about their utterances. Sadhvi Niranjan was pulled up by the BJP, yet we see these kind of comments being made. This good cop, bad cop strategy being followed by your party members is quite clear. Your seniors take a high ground, others get a free rein. And if that is not the case, why don't you sack him? Inside parliament, you are, and not just he. You tell me today. Tell me, Sudhanshu Trivedi, how is Nathuram Godse a देशभक्त? आप मुझे बताइए, हिंदी में सवाल है, सीधा आप करिए, इंग्लिश हिंदी में आंसर दीजिए, सारी देश की जनता देख रही है. सवाल मेरा यह है, नाथुराम गोडसे देशभक्त कैसे बने? आपको कैसे पता है वो देशभक्त थे? बताइए जरा.
जिस बयान को विड्रॉ कर लिया गया,
विड्रॉ तो मैं और एक टेप प्ले करता हूं.
द्वारा ही विड्रॉ कर लिया गया.
क्या विड्रॉ? विनय कटियार ने विड्रॉ किया?
क्या है?
विनय कटियार ने विड्रॉ किया? विनय कटियार ने विड्रॉ किया? क्या विनय कटियार ने नाथुराम गोडसे को देशभक्त नहीं कहा?
बयान कैसे दे सकता है?
देशभक्त कैसे बने? नाथुराम गोडसे देशभक्त कैसे बने?
Can I start now?
आप बताइए, how is he a patriot? Tushar Gandhi is coming into the debate. Tushar Gandhi and Nathuram Godse's niece Himani Savarkar also with us on the program.
Greatest.
Yes, Tushar Gandhi.
According to them, Arnab, according to them, his greatest act of patriotism was killing Bapu. And they have the right to worship him. And Arnab, I want to contradict you. The mask is not of Sakshi Maharaj. The mask that the government wears is of development. Sakshi Maharaj is their true identity. That is the ideology which they live by and have enshrined And I would like to, everybody is condemning him. I want to praise him. He has the courage and the honesty to say what he believes and not make pretenses. So let's make this very clear over here that Sakshi Maharaj has spoken the truth that whole spectrum believes in, and everything else is mere excuses and things for political survival.
Himani Savarkar is niece of Nathuram Godse. This is interesting. I have Nathuram Godse's niece on one side and Gandhi's great grandnephew on the other. Now Himani Savarkar, why do you think some BJP leaders have started praising? Yeah, great grandson. I'm sorry, great grandson. I clarified that. We'll correct that. Now, my question to Himani Savarkar is, why do you think so many people in the BJP, at least quite a few, are coming out and praising Nathuram Godse suddenly? What is the reason for this? Your uncle.
नथुराम गोडसे जी के बारे में क्वेश्चन दोहराइए।
मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूं कि आज अचानक भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कई सुनिए मिस सावरकर, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? सवाल बहुत सीधा है। इतने बीजेपी के इतने बीजेपी के लीडर्स नथुराम गोडसे को देशभक्त क्यों कह रहे हैं अचानक?
ऐसा है, अचानक के कोई सवाल ही नहीं है। नथुराम गोडसे ने जो हत्या की उसकी आलोचना सब लोग करते हैं। उसके पक्ष में खुद नथुराम गोडसे भी उनके पक्ष में नहीं थे। हत्या का समर्थन उन्होंने नहीं किया था।
बिल्कुल गलत,
लेकिन
बिल्कुल गलत उन्होंने किया।
उनका जीवन चरित्र अगर
नहीं, गलत बात कह रहे हैं आप। नथुराम गोडसे ने अपने ट्रायल के ड्यूरिंग द ट्रायल ही जस्टिफाइड द असैसिनेशन। मिस सावरकर, आप गलत बात बहुत बोले। नथुराम गोडसे ने ट्रायल के दौरान तुषार गांधी, एम आई राइट? Tushar Gandhi, am I right? No, you are wrong.
Absolutely.
No, you are wrong.
I don't know
Nathuram Godse. One second. Tushar Gandhi कह रहे कुछ आपको?
हत्या का समर्थन नहीं।
बुरा आदमी कोई नहीं बोला। बुरा आदमी कोई उसे नहीं
भूमिका स्पष्ट की।
वो बेचारे
हत्या का समर्थन कभी नहीं किया।
किए गए, उनका इस्तेमाल किया गया और उनके हाथों ये कृत्य करवाया गया।
किसने कहा?
तुषार गांधी ने कहा कि आपके जो अंकल हैं नथुराम गोडसे, उन्हें यूज किया गया, उनके हाथों से ये काम करवाया गया और ट्रायल के दौरान मैं कह रहा हूं आपको कि नथुराम गोडसे ने असैसिनेशन जस्टिफाई की।
जी नहीं,
जी बिल्कुल सही नहीं। जी
उन्होंने
बिल्कुल
ये कृत्य क्यों किया इतना ही बताया है। हाँ, इतिहास ही बताया है, लेकिन हत्या का समर्थन कभी भी नहीं किया है। यह बात सही है। और दूसरी बात यह है
करने के बाद समर्थन ना करने से क्या होता है?
कोई किसी ने इस्तेमाल नहीं किया
करने के बाद हत्या का समर्थन ना करने से क्या होता है?
नहीं किया है। वो खुद स्वयं एक अखबार के एडिटर थे, तो कोई ऐसा ऐरा गैरा आदमी उनके पकड़ में वो उनके पकड़ में आ जाए और वो करे, ये बात सही नहीं है।
हिमानी सावरकर जी,
आप गलत
हिमानी सावरकर जी, मैं गलत नहीं कह रहा हूँ। आपके
सही है ही नहीं। इतना ही कहूंगी कि उन्होंने जो किया है इसका विवरण
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल
हत्या का समर्थन कभी भी नहीं किया।
नहीं, पहली बात है मेरे पास इंटरव्यू है। आपके पिताश्री हैं गोपाल गोडसे, उन्होंने जून के 29 तारीख 1998 को उन्होंने एक इंटरव्यू दिया जिसमें उन्होंने कहा दैट वी आर नॉट अशेम्ड ऑफ इट, वी आर नॉट अशेम्ड ऑफ किलिंग महात्मा गांधी। And he went on to say Gandhi should have been honest to admit his life was a failure. And we are not ashamed of it. We did it. This is what Gopal Godse said. Anyway, Tushar Gandhi, I don't want to stray away from it. Let's go back to the political debate right now. C.R. Kesavan had a point to make to Sudhanshu Trivedi. C.R. Kesavan.
No, Arnab, I didn't get a chance. Please,
go ahead.
Trivedi, don't interject me. You will get your chance to reply. On one side, the Prime Minister talks about Gandhi Wad. On the other side, the BJP parliamentarian, who's a four-time member, justifies calling a man a patriot who wrote a book called Gandhi Vad Kyun? Where has the BJP suddenly started using the Nara Nathuram now? What is happening here? The Mr. Nathuram Godse was hanged for committing one of the most wickedest acts in history of assassinating Mahatma Gandhi. Now I think the next step the BJP will say, why don't you hang this man's portrait in parliament? I think it's shameful. Let me just say this, Arnab. By calling Nathuram Godse a patriot and a nationalist, you're calling everybody in the country, including Bapu, an anti-nationalist. And somebody who's betrayed the country. And let me tell you this is the pattern. Remember in October, there was a gentleman called Gopalakrishnan who wrote an article in Kesari. And he said, Godse got the wrong target. He should have, attacked Mr. Nehru. Mr. Gopalakrishnan was a BJP MP candidate from Chalakudi. Did the BJP condemn it? No. They let loose.
Mr. Trivedi, what are you doing?
Vitiate the atmosphere.
Mr. Trivedi, what are you doing?
Vitiate the atmosphere and they turn a blind eye. Let me say this.
Mr. Trivedi, what is the BJP doing?
Action.
What is the BJP doing?
Doesn't take action. They accept.
And one second. One minute. Can I? So what? Sudhanshu Trivedi says we are misquoting the Sakshi Maharaj. Sudhanshu Trivedi जी मुझे समय दीजिए. मैं एक मिनट का टेप प्ले करना चाहता हूँ. प्ले करूँ? I want to play a tape. 1 मिनट का टेप आपके सामने टीवी होगा, आप भी देखिए. 1 minute tape. My deputy news editor Meetu Jain confronts Sakshi Maharaj. Hear this.
यू टर्न क्यों किया? महाराष्ट्र में एक चीज बोलते हैं और पार्लियामेंट आके एक चीज बोलते हैं. इसकी वजह क्या थी?
महाराष्ट्र में गया ही नहीं हूँ. आपके प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने कर लेते. मैं राष्ट्र महाराष्ट्र गया ही नहीं मैडम.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने
महाराष्ट्र का मेरा बयान कहाँ से आ गया? मैं महाराष्ट्र नहीं गया हूँ.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने आपके ऊपर जो दबाव दिया इसलिए आपने अपना ये वक्तव्य बदला ना. क्या
प्राइम मिनिस्टर मेरी आंखों के तारे हैं. उन्होंने कभी मेरे पर दबाव नहीं दिया, आज भी दबाव नहीं दिया. भारतीय जनता पार्टी में केवल लोकतंत्र है, दबाव की राजनीति नहीं होती है. तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर के ऊपर आरोप लगाना
राजनीति नहीं होती, पर घर वापसी की राजनीति आप लोग कर रहे हैं.
और मेरी पार्टी के किसी पदाधिकारी पर आरोप लगाना ठीक नहीं है. मेरे ऊपर किसी का दबाव नहीं है. मैं अपनी अंतरात्मा मैं अपनी अंतरात्मा की आवाज से जो बोलता हूँ वो सही बोलता हूँ.
जो लोग ये बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं आप उनके साथ हैं? जो लोग जो बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं
वो महाराष्ट्र में, दिल्ली में हूँ. वो अपने घर में होंगे.
उनकी बातों से सहमत हैं?
अपनी कोठी में हूँ.
आप उनकी बातों से सहमत हैं?
किनकी बातों से?
जो लोग नथुराम गोडसे को देशभक्त कहते हैं.
सहमत और असहमत होने का मेरा कोई अर्थ नहीं होता है. आप उन लोगों से पूछिए जो कार्यक्रम कर रहे हैं.
That's not an apology, Sudhanshu Trivedi. बिल्कुल ही apology नहीं है. Was that an apology? I don't think it was an apology. It was obfuscation to the extreme. Sudhanshu Trivedi, what are you doing? I mean, why are you doing this? You see, vitriol, polarization, mass forced conversions, Taj Mahal is actually a mandir, and now Nathuram Godse is a Deshbhakt. What are you doing? Have you no control over these people? Or do you just want to say today that we have no control over these people? What if you have no control, say it, we have no control, we can't do anything about it. Swami Chinmayanand repeated that terrible word, that lady, what's her name? That Niranjan, Sadhvi Niranjan used. Swami Chinmayanand repeated it. He's also from the BJP. This use of this kind of language. What are you doing? What are you doing, Mr. Trivedi? Please tell me. People are watching now. आप कर क्या रहे हैं? Lakshmikant Bajpayee says Taj Mahal is Tejo Mahal. What is it? Tejo Mahal.
What do you want?
I want to know what you are doing.
Answers of all these questions?
I know. I want to know what you are doing.
Then give me appropriate time. I will answer point by point. So now, if you want to confine to the present topic.
No, I want to know what is this Godse thing going on.
The video was shown in which Sakshi Maharaj is saying categorically कि मैंने उनको राष्ट्रभक्त कहने की मेरी मंशा नहीं थी.
नहीं, ये आपके वर्ड्स हैं. ऐसे कुछ नहीं कहा उन्होंने. नहीं क्या? मैं फिर से टेप प्ले कर दूंगा.
That I have not said Rashtrabhakt. It is the beginning of your program. It was shown on the so many TV clubs.
That was a 15-second U-turn after saying it. You heard him now. You heard him now.
No, even if it is U-turn, you should acknowledge it.
The great grandson of Mahatma Gandhi is telling you. The great grandson of Mahatma Gandhi, Tushar Gandhi, is on the program. No, one sec. The great grandson of Mahatma Gandhi is telling you.
Sudhanshu ji, don't defend.
Wait, can you allow me to answer the question, or you will consistently keep on saying something and not allowing me to complete it?
Mr. Trivedi, that's not a right complaint.
Tushar Gandhi is there.
Tushar Gandhi,
the legacy of Mahatma Gandhi.
He said your mask has fallen off.
The issue of Gandhivad, that Modi ji was saying Gandhivad, but doing this.
Tushar Gandhi's
I would like to ask those who want to become the self-styled champions of Gandhian legacy, the Congress party. Where is the Gandhi's legacy? Where is Swadeshi? Where is Khadi?
What are
Where
you
is
trying
Ram
to say?
Raj?
You called
Where is
Godse a
Swaraj?
patriot today.
Forget, where is Ram Raj? Forget about Ram Raj.
Arey
They have left the
Why are you
Ram.
trying to defend
Even in the
the
Youth
principle?
Congress,
You please
Rahul
answer
Gandhi
the
has
question.
thrown
Why did
away
you vote
the
against
Gandhi
me?
cap.
Why
He
did
has
you
replaced it with a sports cap. If at all,
Please
Tushar
Gandhi is responding one at a time.
Not interrupting, then let me complete the sentence. It is not fair. Either Arnab Goswami is speaking or you are speaking.
The BJP has insulted all Indians today. Otherwise, you take action on him. If it's not the position of the BJP,
Now can I
if
speak?
it's not a Freudian
Now
slip,
can I
it's,
speak?
Sakshi Maharaj, take action.
Now can I speak?
Yes, speak. After that,
Please,
Tushar Gandhi
Now
and
can
Pawan
I
Verma will speak.
If at all
Go
you
ahead,
can
Sudhanshu.
find that the followers of Gandhian principle, whether it is Swadeshi, whether it is the Khadi, whether it is the simple life, you could find only in the lifestyle of Pracharaks of RSS, whom you call against Mahatma Gandhi. I
am
am
talking
blaming
about the
Congress
BJP,
party
sir.
that they have
I am talking
assassinated
about
the
BJP
Gandhian
MP.
principles
I am
and
not
Gandhian
talking about
ideology
RSS.
in the disguise
I
of the
am not
champions of
talking about
Gandhianism.
RSS.
They have
I
killed
am
all the
asking
principles
you
of Mahatma
about the
Gandhi,
statement of a
from
four-time
Swaraj
BJP MP.
to Ram
This
Raj,
is not about
from
your
Khadi
RSS.
to
This is not
Swadeshi.
about Bajrang
Even
Dal.
their leadership
Why
is
did
not
your
Swadeshi
BJP
these
MP
days.
make the statement? You should be ashamed. Why have you not taken action against
Arey,
him? This is
forget
a
about
four-time
Bajrang Dal,
MP
you
of the
respond
BJP.
to you. What is your character has come?
Okay.
Except
What is
Gandhi
you
sir
are the
counters.
having
statement.
nothing
Look at
which
yourself.
resembles with
Look at-
Gandhi.
look at how
Mr.
your party
Keswan, you
is.
should reply
You have
this.
shamed the
Rather
country.
than chanting
You have
Bajrang
shamed the
Dal, Bajrang Dal,
country.
Bajrang Dal,
You're defending
and
the
keep action on
indefensible.
Sakshi,
And you
take
come and
action
ask
on
others the
Sakshi.
question.
One
If
second.
you don't act,
Tushar Gandhi will now come in along with Pawan Verma. I raise a question tonight. I raise a bigger question tonight. I raise a question on symbolism, ladies and gentlemen. And just bear with me. Pawan Verma and Tushar Gandhi will now next take on Sudhanshu Trivedi, who seems to be in a very aggressive mood, if I may observe. He says, are we not followers of Swadeshi? Do we not wear khadi? Have we not got a simple life? My counter question to him, actually, आप बस सोचिए, suppose a person who leads a simple life, wears khadi and believes in Swadeshi, also believes in forced conversions, uses terrible unparliamentary language and is a fan of Nathuram Godse, is that person a good person? Answer me.
Arnav, you have
Answer me.
selectively taken four things.
I have
Gandhian
no selectively, I have
Gandhian
countered you.
people also had Swaraj. Gandhi
I have
also
countered
has
you.
Ram Raj.
If I
Gandhi's
wear,
political vision
if I
was
wear
Ram Raj,
khadi,
which has been
if I
totally
start
abandoned by
wearing
Congress.
khadi, if I have believe in Swadeshi,
Gandhi's-
and if I lead a
Gandhi's
simple
husband
life,
was Raghupati Raghav Raja.
will it be okay for me to be a follower of Nathuram Godse?
This Congress government, by giving an affidavit in Supreme Court, said that Ram never exists.
Counters.
This is their respect towards the Gandhiism.
Counters
and the
from
entire
counters
philosophy
from
of
Tushar Gandhi. Pawan
which
Verma.
is
Pawan
around
Verma
the
first.
Ram and Ram Raj.
Pawan Verma first, then Tushar Gandhi. Pawan Verma. 2 minutes on the debate. Pawan Verma, make it quick.
Arnab, this defense of Sakshi Maharaj by Sudhanshu is bordering on the absurd. To point out that the Congress has not completely fulfilled Gandhi's legacy as a justification for the statement made to call Nathuram Godse a patriot.
Not
is
completely
absurdity.
fulfilled, gone
Let me
against
tell
it.
you. Let me say to you, Arnab, let me say to you, the BJP is only indulging in repeated acts of transient damage control. There is no real apology, there is no sense of contriteness, there is no genuine retraction. It is only damage control because such statements are actually part of their larger agenda to create this kind of hatred through religious polarization.
Tushar Gandhi.
And we have had repeated statements in a short period
A
of
minute
6 months.
left.
Not only statements, but actions on the ground. The invention of love jihad in Western UP. At the time of the elections, riots breaking out in Delhi, in Trilokpur, Okhla and Bhavana. The use of Yogi Adityanath. The statement by the Sadhvi. They are all part of a pattern, and I am very sorry to say development is not the goal.
Tushar
This government
Gandhi,
is not in control
1
of the
minute
lunatic
left.
and rabid elements of
I
the
will
Sangh
let Tushar Gandhi come in, please. Tushar Gandhi wanted to respond to something Mr. Trivedi said. Trivedi ji, Tushar Gandhi respond कर रहे थे, जरा सुनिए. Please go ahead.
No, I'd just like to add to Mr. Trivedi's information in praise of the greatness of Nathuram Godse. He was also a vegetarian, and yet, being a lifelong vegetarian, he took a life. He murdered a man, whether that person was the father of the nation or whether that person was a Mahatma, that is immaterial. That man murdered another man in cold blood without remorse, and he is today your patriot. Have the courage to stand up and say whatever you may say, this is our belief and we will stand up and say this. Don't hide behind Khadi and Swadeshi and all those things. If you have the honesty and the courage, stand up and say, I stand with Sakshi Maharaj, and we will keep saying this. And Arnab, get used to this for the next 5 years at least.
Well, we will question it if required night after night. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us on that debate.